Sometimes you just want to make your own homemade salad dressing. Today we're making homemade beetroot salad dressing. My name is Ruth Dixon and this is Sacred Fruits and Vegetables. Watch this video and find out how. Fry your onions, then your tomatoes in olive oil. Add a little salt. Fry this until tender. Fry this. Now for the beetroot. Pour this in and fry this until it's tender. Now for the beetroot. Set this aside after blending it and let it cool. Drizzle this over your salad and keep the rest for later. It can last up to 1 week. Store it in a jar. Thank you. I hope this has blessed you. Subscribe and do leave a message. Drizzle this over your salad and keep the rest for later. It can last up to 1